Counting animals. Counting 1 to 9. 1. One elephant is going to drink water. 2. Two giraffes are going to drink water. 3 and 4. 3 buffaloes and 4 birds are also going to drink water. 5 and 6. 5 impalas and 6 warthogs are walking to the water. 7. 7 zebras are running to the water. 8 and 9. 8 frogs and 9 fish are swimming in the water. 1 lion roars. He also wants to drink. Who is afraid of the lion? One elephant is drinking water with the lion.